Can you hear me, all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you on the camera now. Aman, Rakshit, Siddharth, Spandana. So Heron's formula we have finished. Aman, make your camera proper. Heron's formula, people have any doubts?
Okay.
Because we have done questions as well as all NCERT sums we have done, right? So do you have doubts in any Heron's formula, any one of you?
Okay.
So which chapter you want me to start? Shall we start with coordinate or some any other chapter?
Sir, I already finished revising coordinate geometry.
What, Aman?
Sir, I already finished coordinate geometry.
We can't hear you properly. Speak louder. Hello.
Sir, I already finished coordinate geometry in school.
I don't know. You people finished or not. Depends on you. You have finished or not, tell me. If you have finished, well and good. If you're not finished, then which chapter you want me to do? Tell me. Any other chapter they have done in class and we have not done here? Just message me, children, if you are having any chapter which they have done in your class and we have not done here.
Sir, we finished coordinate geometry in school.
Okay, coordinate geometry you have finished. So shall we do this one only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyone else? Rakshit, can you hear me? Can you on your camera now? Rakshit, Spandana.
I'm setting it up, sir. Give me 5 minutes.
Spandana.
Sir, 2 minutes. Sir.
See, what we have to do is coordinate geometry means set of 2 points, that is x comma y. Okay, set of both coordinate means you can say x comma y both, right? So that is axis 1, x axis and y axis, combination of this both x and y. So this is actually a point. Okay, coordinate is nothing but a point on a graph paper. Okay, which includes y, x as well as y coordinate, which includes x as well as y coordinate. It's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So in Cartesian system, if we take two numbers, two number line, if we take two number lines or one horizontal and one vertical, then combine them in such a way that they intersect each other at their zeros. That is known as what? Cartesian plane. Okay. What is known? That is known as what? They form a Cartesian plane. So what they are saying here, one is form horizontal, one is your vertical. Suppose I'm telling you 3, 4. 3, 4. So 3 is here, go up. Okay. And 4. Where this point meets. Okay. Intersecting each of their zeros. Then they form a Cartesian plane. This point is what? Coordinate part. This is a coordinate. 3, 4 is what? Coordinate. Okay. So this point is what? 3, 4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So 3, 4. Now, all of you know this, how to just mention the coordinate over here.
Yes, sir.
There are two lines over here. That is your x-axis and y-axis. How it would be on the graph paper. Okay. So x-axis, if you see this blue color one, you can see here blue color one. This is your x-axis. We can, the sleeping line you can say. This is your horizontal line. Horizontal or sleeping line. This is your x-axis. Okay. Horizontal. or sleeping line. And one would be your standing line over here. Okay. One is your standing line. That is your y-axis. All right. So now if you see in first quadrant, x and y.
So they both are positive.
Yes. So x-axis on the left hand side, it's negative. This left hand side is what? Negative. And right hand side is positive. Okay. Left hand side is negative. Right hand side is positive. Again, similarly on y-axis, up is positive, down is negative. Okay. Up is positive, down is negative. Now you try to understand, Rikshit. I'm going to remove you, Rikshit, right now. Your camera is not on. You want 2 minutes, 2 minutes over. Okay. Rikshit, shall I remove?
Sir, it's already on, sir.
Already on.
Yeah.
It's not on. Your name is coming over here. It's not on.
What? No, sir. Oh, sir, once I leave. Anyway. I turned it on 5 minutes back only, sir.
So first coordinate, if you see here, this is your first quadrant. This is first quadrant. This is your second quadrant. This is third quadrant. And this one is fourth quadrant. So you can understand now this here. First quadrant is both are positive. X and Y both are positive. Second quadrant, X is negative, Y is positive. Third quadrant, both are negative.
Sir, can you see now?
No, I can see only red spot, red screen.
Sir, once I'll replug my camera and come. 5 minutes.
No problem. Leave it right now. From next class, you will be before you should plug your camera and all. You should be
Okay.
While doing the class, you are doing all these things. Before that, you should fix everything, right? Every day, your same problem. So in first, second, third, and fourth quadrant, anyone having doubt in this? Which quadrant is having y plus, minus, minus, plus, and all? Anyone having doubt till here?
No, sir.
No, right? Oh, Harani, you came.
Yes, sir.
Today late, so late, huh?
Sir, it was not connecting in the starting, so like I had to go to the settings and allow it.
Okay. Next, we just the horizontal line is known as x-axis. Vertical line is known as y-axis. The point where this line these two lines intersects each other is called what? Origin. Okay. The point where these two lines intersect each other is called origin. This is represented as O. This is represented as O. So this 2 points is clear to everyone, children? This first and second.
Yes, sir.
Again here, OX and OY are the positive directions as positive numbers. This is a positive direction, this is a negative direction. This we are talking about negative. This we are talking about positive. You know how positive and negative is coming into picture?
Yes, sir.
Again, same thing. We are just down also, we're discussing the same thing over here. First, second, third, fourth quadrant. This arrow mark, you can see the red color arrow mark. Right. So in this way, first, second, third, and fourth quadrant is mentioned over here. So 5 comma minus 3. 5 comma minus 3. Which quadrant this lies? So x is positive, y is negative. So which quadrant this lies?
Fourth one, right?
Yeah, fourth one. Okay. This is the fourth quadrant. It's very simple. If both are positive or both are negative, first and third. If one is positive, one other is negative. So that is second or fourth quadrant, right? Next. The x coordinate of a point. The x coordinate of a point is marked by drawing perpendicular from y-axis. Measured a length of x-axis. It is also called what? Abscissa. So x coordinate of a point. See, suppose if I'm writing here 2, 3. Okay. So this is known as what? X coordinate. This is known as y once y wala part, right? This is also known as abscissa. This is also known as ordinate. Clear? Is it clear? First one is x,
Yes.
x1, x coordinate. Y is y coordinate. This 3 is y coordinate. We call same thing as abscissa and ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So while writing the coordinates of a point in the coordinate plane, the coordinate comes first and then y coordinate. Okay. So in coordinate plane, what is coming here? First x coordinate is coming over there, then y coordinate. All right. First x coordinate and then y coordinate. Clear? So we write the coordinates in brackets. So this is the coordinate. X coordinate first, then we are writing y coordinate. All right, clear to children? So minus 2, 3. So this is abscissa, this is ordinate. All right. We are writing in bracket.
Yes, sir.
Next. What they have mentioned over here, see? What is abscissa? So abscissa is this distance from here to here. Okay. This distance from this point is there, no distance. This is abscissa. This is ordinate. So this combination of this both is what? X and y coordinate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And y coordinate. So in the above figure, OB is equals to CA. OB is equals to what? CA. This
CA.
both are what? Equal. And that is nothing but what? X coordinate. Or you can call it as what? Abscissa. One minute. So you understood abscissa and ordinate, right? So this part is your ordinate y, and here also y is ordinate. Correct? So CU and AB is equals to y coordinate, or you can say ordinate. So till here you people have doubts. So what we have learned right now? How to make the points on a Cartesian plane.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me,
Sir,
Aman.
what if the point is on the x-axis or the y-axis? Which coordinate will that be in? Like for example, 3, 0.
This you are saying this point?
Yeah. Which coordinate is that in?
That is not coming under quadrant actually. That is on axis. Okay. Suppose 3, 0. If any coordinate is 0, no, that coordinate is on axis, not on quadrant. All right. This is the coordinate on x-axis. Okay. Suppose 0, -2. This is the coordinate on y-axis. It's not in quadrant. Okay, Aman?
Yes, sir.
So I'll teach right now further. I'll still teach you. So till here it's clear to everyone, right, children?
Yes, sir.
So this part is also clear to everyone. This is, this part. So which is first quadrant, what is happening? Second quadrant, what is happening? Okay. Next you see here, these all are same. Is this coordinates same? No, this is wrong, right? This one can you write like this? Wrong, right? Because x comma, always should write x comma y only. You can't write here y comma x. Both are equal, no.
No, sir.
So 3, 4, you can't write 4, 3. 3, 4, you can't write 4, 3 or something. Okay. So next question. Okay. So now your part got over. Now I'll just tell you the few basic concepts I'll tell you. Okay. Now few basic concepts I'll tell you. Okay. Now see. What we can do over here. Suppose if I'm telling here 3, 0. Okay. Or I'll just tell you down only any point on the x-axis. If I write here any, what we can write, children? All of you tell me any point on the x-axis, what we can write? Any point on x-axis.
Sir, it's not in any coordinate.
What we can write?
Sir, we can write like it's not like in any coordinate, so it's like on x-axis.
Write in the chat box. Any point on y-axis, what can be there? Any point on y-axis. Then line parallel to x-axis. Line parallel to x-axis. A line parallel to y-axis. That's 4 things we should learn right now. Okay. Line parallel to x-axis. Yes.
So like you're asking us that we have to write the values of x and y.
No, one example I'm asking. Any
Okay.
point on the x-axis, any point you tell me,
Okay,
it
sure.
lies on the x-axis. One example. And here line parallel to y-axis. Line parallel to y-axis. So this should be the equation of line, right? And these are the points, okay? First and second are the points. And third and fourth are the lines, okay? Just think and tell me. I got few answers over here. 1,0 points on y-axis. Spandana has mentioned 0,1 point lies on y-axis. Very good. Aman, 6,2, what you mentioned? 6,2. Where it lies?
Sir, line parallel to x-axis.
6, is point, no, Aman. Aman, if you write 6,2, it denotes point. It's not line, right? If you write 6,2, this is point or line, Aman? This is a point, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I should tell the line. Line you should tell.
Oh,
See, children, just explaining once again, okay? Spandana, yeah, you have mentioned correctly only x, 0 and one line or point also just told me. So any point on the x-axis will be x, 0. Children, try to understand over here.
So what about my answers?
Yeah, you can tell 2, 0, whatever, y should be 0, okay?
Okay, sir.
Your answer is correct only, but one example you have given. So this is for, if any point on x-axis, y is what? 0. So x, or you can write here, y should be 0, okay? Any point on x-axis, y should be what? 0. Any point on the y-axis, x should be what? 0. You can see on the coordinate plane, you can see.
Sir, can
any
you give an
point.
example, sir?
Yeah. Example, if you see, it will come what? 2, 0. -5, 0. Means y will always be what? 0, right?
So, sir, I also have another doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm still confused, sir, whether the x-axis will come first or the y-axis will come first in that
Always you do alphabetical order, okay? X, Y, you remember. First you X will come, then Y will come, okay?
Okay, sir.
You remember we are going alphabetical order, then you not get confused, okay?
Okay, sir.
Always we are writing first X, then Y.
Okay then, sir.
So any point on the y-axis, if you see x is 0, so we can write it as 0, 5. Example I'm telling. Then 0, -2, right? See, these are the examples in which both x-axis is what? 0. Can you see? So any point on the x-axis is 0. Any point on the x-axis is 0. Now see, talking about line. Line parallel to x-axis, line parallel to y-axis. Okay. So here what we can write here is x is equal to a. Why I am writing x is equal to a, and here y is equal to b you can write. A and b you can take anything, not a problem. X is equals to a means any point x is equal to a. Suppose you can write here x is equal to -5. You can write x is equal to only 2, etc. These are the equation of line which is parallel to x-axis. Okay. These are the equation of line which is parallel to x-axis. Similarly, see, y is equals to -5 you can write for this, or you can write y is equals to 2, etc. So still you may have doubt in these two things, this one apart and this one, right? You have still doubt, right? If I explain you in detail, then you understand properly. Okay. So I explain you how it comes. Wait, I'll take this one only. One example I'll copy from here. I'll draw. How many of understand completely this one? Line parallel to x-axis, line parallel to y-axis. Anyone who is understanding completely? Now see, I'll tell you one example, okay? Suppose I'm telling you here, Harini, 6,6 line parallel to y-axis. How? 6,6 if you write here. So this is 6, right? And this is
Yes.
also 6. This is a point, right?
Yes.
So this is not a line, no, which is parallel to y-axis.
So then what do you mean by parallel? Like where should it be?
That's why I'm going to tell you both the example. Suppose I'll just tell you right now. See, this one, line parallel to x-axis I'll show you, and line parallel to y-axis I'll show you. 1 minute. Suppose I'll take one example. This line, can you see, Harini? This line, black line.
Yes, sir.
At this line is parallel to which axis? Tell me.
So to the y-axis.
To the y-axis. This much you understood now? The line parallel to y-axis.
Yes, sir.
And what we have discussed here, see, line parallel to y-axis, what we have discussed? Y is equals to something will be there, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
But x will be what? Constant. Understood?
Yes,
X will
sir.
be what? X will be constant. Y can be something. In this, what is coming? X is what? Constant on this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Line parallel to x-axis, x is equal to something will be there. Y will be what? Constant. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you see, if you're not understanding, now you can understand clearly. This point is 5, 0, right?
Yes, sir.
This point is 5, 1. This point is 5, 2. If you see here, x is equals to what? All the time 5 only is coming, right? So this
Yes.
is the line which is equals to 5. X is equal, this is a line for what? X is equal to 5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I understand.
If I tell you y is equals to -2, then what we have to do? This is a line parallel to x-axis. So this is a line which is what? This line is what? Y is equals to -2. Means on this line, x will be same, but y will be what? Sorry, y will be same every time. But x will keep on varying. See here, this point. This point is -1, -2. This point is -2, -2. Can you see? Each and
Yes.
every point on this line, y will remains the same, but x is keep on varying. All right,
Yes, sir.
that's all.
Oops.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's very, very important. Children will not understand that easy. Okay. But in class 9th, one small difference, this is actually, you know, this we have discussed in 2-dimensional. What? 2-dimensional. It 2-dimensional means when we are considering x as well as y coordinate. Okay. X is equal to 5. We have mentioned a line in which we have considered x as well as y, right? But in your class 9th, they have considered 1 dimension also. 1 dimension also they are talking about 1 dimension. 1 dimension means either x or y. Okay. Either x or y. Suppose if they are asking x is equal to 5. So they'll make one line over here. They'll put 0. You have read in class integers form and all, right? Class 5th, 6th. So 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
3, 4, 5. So what they will do? They will just mention over here this, and they'll mention over here what? X is equal to 5. Understood? This is for 1-dimensional. So
Yes.
don't confuse in 1-dimensional and 2-dimensional. So like this you have in class 9th for you people. Okay. If you're writing in 1-dimensional, you can write like this also. And this only changes, you can write here x-axis. Okay. And if they ask y is equal to -2, suppose y is equal to -2. So what they will do, they'll keep again just made same line. They'll mention here y-axis 0, -1, -2. So this point, what they'll mention? Y is equal to -2 over. So understood the difference between single dimension and two dimensional? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So one is your normal coordinate, what we have learned. Then quadrant we have learned. Then which axis, the coordinate lies in which axis? What is ordinate? What is abscissa? Then we have
Sir, how to pronounce that abscess, whatever is that is.
abscissa, 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 abscissa. Okay. And again, you remember abscissa is your x-axis and ordinate. Go alphabetically. So x, y, A will come first, X will come first. O will come later, Y will come later. Okay.
Sir.
So
Got it.
X is abscissa, Y is ordinate. So I'll give few
Okay,
questions.
sir.
You are having graph paper with you children, all of you with us, you people.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have graph paper with me right now.
You didn't have graph paper.
Sir, I have.
Okay. Just you do in the graph and just send me on WhatsApp. I'm just writing few questions over here. 2, 3, B, 0, -1, C, 3, -2, D, 0, 4. Should write lies on which axis and quadrant. Write down the axis or quadrant. Okay. Write down the axis or quadrant where this coordinate lies. E, -5, -6. F, -8, 0. G, -6, 2. H, 9, 9, don't write 9. This is 3, -5. I, 0, 5. E, F, I, G, H, I, J. Then you can write 8, 0. So this was the first question. Then I'll tell you. All of you just write and just send me on WhatsApp. Okay.
Sir, I don't have a graph book, sir. I only have my
If
school.
you don't have graph book, do roughly make X and Y coordinate 1, 2, 3 for what I mentioned over here. No.
Okay, sir.
Same thing you do and send me.
This is the point we asked.
Sir, I did, but I don't have my mom's phone, sir.
Acha, don't have your mom's phone. Okay.
Yeah, but I did it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what's the G1 minus 6,2?
Minus 6 comma 2. Which one?
G. Or is
G.
it? Yeah.
Minus
Is it
6 comma 2.
Is it positive 6 or minus 6?
Minus 6. Minus 6 comma 2. Then I'll give after this, draw the line, okay? Draw the line. Okay. So pehla x is equal to minus 2. This is y is equal to 5. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 3. Draw 4 lines.
So the J1 is 8,0, right?
Yes, j h comma 0. This is on x-axis, right?
Yes.
X-axis, y-axis, y-axis, x-axis, right? This is first quadrant. This one is fourth quadrant. This one is third quadrant. This one is y. This is x-axis. This one is minus 6 comma 2. That is your second quadrant. This is fourth quadrant, right? Over. Correct.
Sir, I'm done. I'll just get my mom's phone.
Okay.
So यहाँ पे तो नहीं निकलेगा।
Sir, I sent.
Yes, Aman.
Sir, I sent.
You sent me. Okay, fine.
Sir, even I said.
Okay. So just check whether this quadrant are same or not. You have seen that. Just match once what you sent to me, whether quadrant are same or not. Then you draw the line and send me back.
Sir, should we draw the line on the same one or a new one?
What, Harini? What you're saying?
So should we draw the line on a new graph or like the same graph?
No, new graph. Same graph I will do. No, don't do
Yes.
same graph.
Sir, I didn't understand. Sir, draw the line x equals to
X
minus.
equal to minus 2 is a line only. I told you right now. Okay, this is two-dimensional thing.
I didn't
explained.
understand. That's why I'm asking, sir.
See, explained here only. No, see here. X is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 2. Explained here. See. So this line is your x is equal to 5. Again, see, y is equal to -2. This is a line for x is equal to -2. Understood?
Oh, okay, sir.
Explain, no, 2 dimension was there. Then
Yeah,
if
but then I thought we're just doing it as a sum, like normally, sir. For example, I didn't get it that.
no. Here like this only. This is not example. This is a line. How to make this line? Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So these 4 lines you have to make.
Okay, I'm doing it, sir. Sir, can I do it in the same graph, sir?
No, different graph.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you once scroll a bit up?
What's Spandana? You're telling something?
Sir, can you scroll a bit up?
Acha, 1 minute. Yeah. Have you done all of you? Aman, Rakshit. Where's Spandana? Where's the Spandana? Have you done Spandana?
Yes, sir, I'm
Do,
sending.
I just seeing my WhatsApp now, 1 minute. Yeah, I received your numbers. Aman has sent. Then Harini, I received Harini's.
Sir, I'm done, sir.
Yeah. Fine. 80085. That yours only, no? Rakshit.
No, sir, that's mine actually.
What, sir?
This is Spandana, yours.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, I didn't send you, sir. I don't have my
Okay.
mom's phone.
Sir,
Yes,
Sir?
Aman, tell me.
Sir, may I leave the class now? I have a football match right now.
Huh?
Sir, may I leave the class now? I have a match right now.
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
Bye.
Bye.
Sir, a rectangular box is formed for me.
हाँ बोलो हनडी क्या बोलो?
Sir, I got a rectangular box after drawing the lines.
Rectangular box you got.
Yes, sir.
A box is not a problem actually. See, this is a line, okay?
Sir, same, sir.
So yeah, you can do like, see here, 1, 2, 3. So this is a line for x equal to 3, right? We'll get in the same way, yeah. And y is equal to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a line. This is what y is equal to 5. Okay. Then y is equal to -3. So down you see -1, -2, -3. So y is equal to -3. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So you'll get something like rectangular only, but you can extend line up to any limit, not a problem. Okay.
sir.
That's all.
Sir, should we just draw a line or should we also mark some points on it?
No, simply you can mark line. See what I mentioned over here. See up. So if you see the blue line, so x is equals to 5, right? So you should mark also like x equal to 5 this line, then y is equal to -2 for this line. Okay. Fine.
Okay, sir.
All right. Any more doubts you people have?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So next question, what I should ask you? Next.
Sir, there's no one in the class, sir. Only 3 people.
Aman was there. Aman left right now because he was having some class.
Sir, and Siddish, she also left.
Seriously, not joined only today.
Sir, I think she
She joined and left, sir.
She
Yes, sir.
joined and left. What time she joined?
Sir, like in the starting at somewhere like 7:35. I mean 6:35, 6:40 like that.
Okay, okay, okay. See now this question number E1, all of you see question number 1. So write the answer each of the following sections, following questions. What is the name of horizontal and vertical line? What is the name of horizontal? See all this from here to here, all of you just First, second, third, you do all of you. Okay. Don't see the answers. Okay. Doubt मिल रहा है.
Sir, done, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I'm saying I'm done.
Got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Horizontal line is x-axis. Vertical line is y-axis. Okay. Then what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? That is your quadrant, right? If any part, if you see here, so
Yes,
this
sir.
point is coming under quadrant. If two, so what is given over here? What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? So if one line is here, one line is here. So this point name is what? This point is coming under quadrant.
Quadrant 3.
Yeah, quadrant 3. So that is quadrant. So it may lies anywhere. First, second, third, or fourth. Okay, anywhere it lies. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one is write the name of point where these two lines intersect. So two line intersect. They are talking about x and y lines, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is your origin. Clear? That is
Yes,
what? Origin. Fine.
yes, sir.
Clear. So that's for today. Question number 2 will start from this one. Monday or Tuesday onwards. Tomorrow I'll take test on Heron's formula. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. All right. Closing the meeting now.
Yes.
Sorry.